The 2025 Cadillac AMC Javelin Pickup represents a bold leap into the luxury pickup segment, offering an unmatched combination of style, power, and refinement. With its striking design, opulent interior, impressive performance options, and competitive pricing, this vehicle is set to redefine the boundaries of what a luxury pickup can be. Let's dive into the details of this remarkable machine. Starting with the exterior, the Javelin Pickup exudes sophistication and strength. The design combines Cadillac's iconic luxury aesthetic with the rugged functionality expected of a pickup truck. At the front, a massive blacked-out grille commands attention, framed by Cadillac's signature vertical LED headlights. These lights provide a sharp, modern look while offering exceptional nighttime visibility. The hood features muscular sculpting, giving the vehicle a sense of power and purpose. Aerodynamic efficiency is evident in the flowing lines and contours, which not only enhance the truck's visual appeal but also contribute to improved fuel efficiency. From the side, the truck's profile is both aggressive and elegant. Subtle chrome accents on the window trim and door handles highlight its premium nature, while the squared-off wheel arches accommodate standard 20-inch alloy wheels or optional 22-inch wheels for a more commanding presence. The rear of the vehicle continues the sophisticated theme, featuring a sleek tailgate with integrated LED taillights that wrap around the sides for a seamless look. A subtle spoiler and dual exhaust outlets add a sporty touch, while practical elements such as a powered tailgate and optional cargo bed divider enhance usability. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that sets a new benchmark for luxury in the pickup segment. Cadillac has spared no expense in crafting a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a workhorse vehicle. The seats are upholstered in premium hand-stitched leather and come with heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both the driver and passengers. Real wood and brushed aluminum accents adorn the dashboard, center console, and door panels, creating a warm and sophisticated ambiance. Dominating the interior is a massive 33-inch curved OLED display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system. This advanced screen delivers crystal-clear visuals and intuitive touch controls, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Cadillac's latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Alexa voice commands, ensuring that drivers stay connected at all times. An advanced 19-speaker AKG sound system offers an immersive audio experience, transforming the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Rear passengers are not left out of the luxury experience. The second-row seating offers generous legroom, reclining seats, and individual climate controls, making long journeys exceptionally comfortable. Additional amenities include a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light, a wireless charging pad, and multiple USB-C ports to keep devices charged on the go. For those needing extra storage, the Javelin Pickup offers a clever under-seat storage compartment and a large center console. When it comes to performance, the Javelin Pickup doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. The base model is powered by a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides plenty of power for towing, hauling, or simply enjoying a spirited drive. For those who crave even more performance, Cadillac offers a supercharged version of the same engine, pumping out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. In a nod to the future, Cadillac also offers an all-electric variant of the Javelin Pickup. This version is powered by GM's cutting-edge Ultium battery technology and features dual electric motors for a combined output of 500 horsepower. With an estimated range of 350 miles on a single charge, this electric model is ideal for eco-conscious buyers who refuse to compromise on performance or capability. The electric variant comes standard with all-wheel drive, providing excellent traction and stability in all conditions. No matter the powertrain, the Javelin Pickup delivers a refined and comfortable ride. Cadillac's adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to changing road conditions, ensuring a smooth experience whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrain. The truck's towing capacity ranges from 8,000 to 12,000 pounds, depending on the configuration, making it a versatile choice for work or recreation. For off-road enthusiasts, an optional off-road package includes all-terrain tires, skid plates, and a specialized suspension setup designed to handle challenging trails with ease. Safety and driver assistance features are another highlight of the Javelin Pickup. Cadillac has equipped the truck with its latest suite of advanced technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The truck also features Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free driving technology, which allows for semi-autonomous operation on compatible highways. These features not only enhance safety but also make long drives less fatiguing. Pricing for the 2025 Cadillac AMC Javelin Pickup reflects its premium positioning. The base gas-powered model starts at $75,000, offering a well-rounded package of luxury and performance. The supercharged version is priced at $95,000, catering to buyers who demand top-tier power and capability. The all-electric variant starts at $85,000, making it a competitive option for those looking to embrace the future of transportation. Fully loaded models with all available options and packages can reach up to $110,000, placing the Javelin pickup firmly in the upper echelon of the luxury pickup market. Despite its high price tag, the Javelin pickup offers excellent value for what it delivers. Few vehicles can match its combination of luxury, performance, and utility, making it a standout choice for buyers who want it all. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver, a capable workhorse, or a cutting-edge electric vehicle, the Javelin pickup offers something for everyone. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac AMC Javelin Pickup is a groundbreaking vehicle that redefines the luxury pickup segment. With its stunning design, opulent interior, impressive performance options, and advanced technology, it sets a new standard for what a pickup truck can be. Cadillac has successfully combined its heritage of luxury with the rugged practicality of a truck, creating a vehicle that is as capable as it is refined. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, exploring off-road trails, or simply enjoying a night on the town, the Javelin pickup ensures that you do so in style and comfort.